Hi everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to remove your profile picture on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu. Then, tap on Profile to access your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap on your profile picture. In the drop-down menu, click on the See Profile Picture button. Now, to remove your profile picture, click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the options that appear, select the third option, which is Delete Photo. After that, again, click Delete to confirm. After confirming the deletion, your profile picture will be removed. To see the change, you can refresh your profile page. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.